Right, I'm going to test out my new smoke grenade again in my kitchen and see if I get anything paranormal. Let me just show you my new smoke grenade. It is so cool. Here it is. Bought from Pro Paratech on eBay. It looks so good. Proper well made. It's got like obviously the pretend pin here. 4 REM pods at the top, 1 on the side. Carry it around with you. Batteries go underneath, and then the switch here on the side. So I'm going to turn it on and see if anything goes near. If it does, it will light up and flash like this. So let's put it over there. See if anything goes near. I'm also going to put my new EMF next to it. I also got this from the same guy. He's called Pro Paratech. Look at his gadgets on eBay. They are really good. Okay. Calling out to the spirits. Thank you. Is there someone here right now? Can you give me a sign? Come and talk to me. Come and touch the green bottle, which is a smoke grenade on the table. Come and touch it. Go near it. It will light up and flash. Thank you, I saw you. That was amazing. Thank you, Spirit. Can you do that again, please? Give me another sign. Are you male? Make it light up and flash. If you are a man. Or are you female? Are you a lady? Make it light up. Please, if I'm talking to you, Edith. Edith Wood, are you here? Can you give me a sign, please? You are here. Calling out to Edith Wood. Give me a sign of your presence. Come and talk to me. Touch one of my devices on the table if you are here. Are there any children here? I've just seen a shadow go past. Was that you? Are you a child? please give me a sign. Okay. Thank you. That was amazing. I will keep working with my new smoke grenade. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.